Hello everyone, we are here inside the museum in the Philippines from 1922. Look at that. In here, to here, look at here. This is the historical Bataan
Bataan.
map. Look at that. Here. Here, this is lots of hero. Lots of hero. And this is also my hero. Yeah, that's it. Look at this, their flag. Oh. All on the pics are hero.
I can't see it. Just have
Tissue?
trouble reading. They're in the bottom somewhere. Uh-huh. Now you can read.
Okay,
Yes.
Yo.
thank you.
Thank you.
All of these are heroes in the Philippines. Here. And look at their map. That this is their belt buckle, belt buckle belt buckle of the heroes. Yeah, here the belt buckle, and lots of medal here, and here belt. So all the tourists welcome here to the museum island of Corridor. Yeah. You can visit here anytime. Come to Philippines. So, look at their drinks here, oh, their bottles when they drink. Look at here, oh. This one. This is the money of 1922. The oldest money of all hero in the Philippines. Look, very old. This one. Old money. Very memorialistic. This one. Full of memories. You know, their pics. So, the map. Here. And they're the other hero. And this is the best hero also. And here, all the biggest map. I show you the a lots of fire gun here, oh, in the museum. From the World War II, long time ago. Yan. Mortar. Yan. See it? This is their old guns they used to be. And this is one, the mortar also. And this one, see this? See this? Aircraft and personnel, the Philippines Liberation Forces. They use this one. And this one. And this one, 30 caliber air-cooled machine gun. And Hero, this one, with another weapon. And this one, 30 caliber also, water-cooled machine gun. Mortar commercial, mortar American against Japanese liberation forces. This one also. .30 mm mortar American used against Japanese. In 1942, May 5 until May 6, 1942. That's the plate they used before they fight for fighting. This one. We put in here, and this one, and this one. This the fight. We use this for fighting, plane fighting, plane fighter, plane fighter. The three plane fighter. Long time ago. This is their map, and this is also another plane fighter, another plane fighter, another plane fighter. The big bomb, bullet, the bullet. Hmm. Ganda. Share all the photos. See this? All photos long time ago.
Guys, we're moving on in 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
And dessert, we got ice cream, we got coffee, strawberry, ice
This
cream.
is their plate they used it before.
Okay. This one is Christmas dinner
Yeah,
1940.
Christmas dinner, 1940.
I had a light glass.
Yeah. This is their plates and cups. They using this long time ago. Oh my god. Their big ship. See. Look at again that. World War II, Pacific Ocean areas, the big map. See that? This here. Look. 1942. It's another hero. Military. We put statue here. We salute all the hero here. And also the other photos there. The ship. This is the priest under the tunnel long time ago. Thick. They are praying before they start the war. Hero. Look at that. Nice museum. It's a long time ago.
Cool.
The telephone.
Yeah, telephone.
Telephone
Yeah.
many years ago. This one.
It's amazing. Yeah, 1917.
1917. Long time ago.
Signal Corps, U.S. Army,
Mm.
model 1917.
1917.
Amazing.
Their coins, long time ago. So.
Silver anniversary medal. Yeah.
Silver medal, medal.
Gold medal one. Yeah.
This is all
And there
medal.
was a nurse's lipstick up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lipstick?
This is one here.
Lipstick, this one?
Lipstick tube.
Ah, this is
Yeah.
lipstick tube. Wow.
Thought to have belonged to an army or navy nurse.
Oh,
but
yeah.
There was civilian government employees on corridor for a brief period before their evacuation to Australia.
Yeah.
1986.
1986. Ladies watch, oh, very small.
The ladies' watch. Yeah.
Found in Malinta Tunnel, 1986.
Oh, very amazing.
Hmm. This is a nice museum. And hope will not happen again another World War III. And hope will not be happen that. But they didn't know because the China, they're claiming our island in the Philippines. They are not good. This is a good memorable place. Museum.
Check this out here. When you read what it says here, donated by. Donated by. Brisbane, Australia.
Ah,
That
donated by
confirms
Brisbane.
Australians cannot spell.
Not
Just like
Brisbane,
the can't spell
Brisbane.
B, they can't spell Brisbane.
Brisbane, Australia.
Donate ng Australia. Donate ng Australia.
Dapat Brisbane. Brisbane. Ah,
Pero yung original yan, no? Kaya,
mali lang. Historical Bataan.
yeah, the American flag only has 45 stars in 1899.
Ah,
Spanish-American War. In 1945, they had 48 stars. Now they have
42 stars.
50. Next year, 52.
52 next year.
They include Greenland and Canada. Legit to, sir.
Digit yan, digit. Digit flag.
So normally, as an old American, when you were born, how many stars were on the flag?
Yeah, yeah.